Today, I'll show you how to create forms in Canva with Jotform. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to start from a blank Canva design, connect the Jotform app, and quickly turn a template into a polished, shareable form. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you can create a free account in just a minute or two. Being logged in is important here because you'll be adding an app and creating a new design, which both need your account to be active. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with options like Home, Projects, and so on. In that left-hand menu, look for the option labeled More. Go ahead and click that. This area is where Canva keeps a lot of the extra tools and integrations that don't always show up by default, so it's the doorway to connecting outside apps like Jotform. After you click More, you'll see additional options expand, including one for Apps. Click on Apps. This is Canva's app marketplace where you can browse and connect different services. It might look a little busy at first, but don't worry, you won't need to scroll around too much because we're going to search directly for what we need. Inside the apps section, find the search bar and type in Jotform. Be sure to spell it as one word. Canva will then display the Jotform integration in the results. When you see the Jotform app appear, click on it to open its details. Here, Canva may show a brief description of what the app does, along with some options for how you want to use it. On the Jotform app page, look for the button that says Use in New Design and click it. This tells Canva that you want to create a brand new design with Jotform connected instead of adding Jotform into an existing project. It's the cleanest way to start a fresh form layout. Next, Canva will ask you to choose a size for your new design. From the list of options, select A4 Portrait. A4 Portrait is a standard page size that works really well for printable or downloadable forms and gives you a familiar document feel. Once you select A4 Portrait, Canva will open a new design canvas at that size. Now that your blank A4 page is open, look over to the template section, usually on the left side of the screen. In the template search bar, type Form. This will bring up a variety of pre-made form designs you can use as a starting point. Browsing through these can save you a lot of time because they already have form-style layouts with fields and sections arranged in a structured way. Scroll through the templates until you find one that fits the style and purpose of your form. For example, something clean and simple for registrations, or more decorative if you're creating a feedback or event form. When you find the one you like, click on it, then click Use Template. Canva will drop that design straight onto your A4 portrait page, ready for you to customize with your own text, colors, and branding. Once you've finished customizing your form and you're happy with the layout and details, look to the top right corner of the Canva interface and click Share. From here, you can choose how you want to distribute your form, whether that's sending a link, downloading it as a file, or collaborating with others. And that's all there is to it. You've created a form in Canva using the Jotform integration, and you're ready to share it with your audience.